The question is, how is sulfur dioxide an air pollutant? The answer is sulfur dioxide SO2 is considered an air pollutant because it readily undergoes oxidation in the atmosphere to form sulfur trioxide, which then reacts with water vapor to form sulfuric acid H2SO4, which comes down in the form of acid rain. Acid rain causes deforestation, which is not good for the environment. So, what are the different types of reaction taking place? First of all, SO2 oxidizes to SO3. Okay, SO3 oxidizes, and let's write some oxidizing agent here. O. Then what happens is that it reacts with water vapor in the atmosphere. It is present in the atmosphere, H2O. And finally, it forms an acid, sulfuric acid. Okay, 2SO. Right. Moving on. The other reaction. This is an acid, so it is one of the major component of acid rain. So even in low concentration of SO2 causes the irritation in the eyes. So SO2 causes irritation in the eyes, respiratory problem, and due to this, it affects the larynx to cause breathlessness. Okay. Harmful for plants also. Long exposure to SO2 can reduce the color of the leaves. It is because the formation of chlorophyll is affected by sulfur dioxide. This is basically a theoretical answer.